Today, we're exploring the amazing health benefits of licorice. This sweet root has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Stay tuned to learn how licorice can benefit your health and how to incorporate it into your routine. Licorice root, derived from the Glycyrrhiza glabra plant, is more than just a flavoring for candy. It's packed with beneficial compounds like glycyrrhizin, which contribute to its medicinal properties. Let's dive into the top health benefits of licorice. First, licorice has potent anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. According to the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, glycyrrhizin can help reduce inflammation and support the immune system. This makes licorice beneficial for conditions like arthritis, allergies, and even some autoimmune disorders. Second, licorice can aid in digestion. Licorice root tea is often used to soothe the digestive tract, reduce symptoms of indigestion, and help with conditions like acid reflux and gastritis. The National Institutes of Health notes that licorice can promote the production of mucus in the stomach lining, which protects against ulcers. Third, licorice is excellent for respiratory health. Its expectorant properties help to loosen and expel mucus from the lungs, making it useful for treating coughs, bronchitis, and other respiratory conditions. The Journal of Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Analysis highlights licorice's role in soothing sore throats and reducing coughing. Fourth, licorice benefits the skin. Topical licorice extracts are used to treat various skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help reduce redness, swelling, and bacterial infections. The American Academy of Dermatology suggests licorice as a natural option for skincare. Fifth, licorice can help regulate hormones. Licorice has phytoestrogenic properties, which can be beneficial for balancing hormones, especially in women dealing with menstrual irregularities or menopause symptoms. According to the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, licorice can help alleviate hot flashes and other hormonal symptoms. Incorporating licorice into your routine is easy. You can enjoy it as a tea, take it in supplement form, or use topical products containing licorice extract. However, it's important to use licorice in moderation, especially if you have high blood pressure, as excessive consumption can lead to side effects.